Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. Do you guys want to hear a joke? And yes, I realize that's a rhetorical question because I'm most likely going to tell it to you guys anyways. Okay, here goes. There were two mountains and I'm back, guys. Let me tell it to you correctly this time. What did one volcano say to the other? I love you. Get it? I wanted to give you or tell you guys that joke because
the day of love
is fast approaching, aka Valentine's Day. So whether you're single like a Pringle, you're loved up in a relationship, or you're single and you don't care,
oh my god, who the hell cares?
I am going to show you guys how to create a beautiful look that you can definitely rock on Valentine's Day. So if you guys want to see me go from this to this, then stick around and watch the tutorial. Side note, but look how cute these earrings are. They say love on them. They're so cute. I'll go ahead and link them in the product description below if you're interested in them. I think they're perfect for Valentine's Day. And yeah, stick around to the very end as well because I'm going to be singing a bonus song for you guys related to Valentine's Day. So yeah, stick around if you want to watch the tutorial and hear that bonus song. Okay, so the first step you want to do is go ahead and prep and prime your face, which I have already done. And again, I took a stab at filling in my eyebrows, and I really have little to no idea what I'm doing in terms of the brows. I'm super new to it, so if you guys have any great resources or you yourself make really great brow tutorials, let me know and I'll definitely check them out. Okay, so after that, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. This is super important because you're going to be putting a lot of shadows on your eyes. Today, I'm actually going to be using my Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette. I think it's so appropriate for Valentine's Day. Like, just look at it. There's hearts, it's pink, and the color palette itself is just made for Valentine's Day. So yeah, I'm going to be using this today. And before I start getting into shadows, I'm actually going to be taking a step that I've been doing in a lot of my videos now, which is using the tape. And I think this just like serves as a useful guideline to keep those lines sharp. And I want to first go in with a foundational shade color. So I'm actually going to be going in with Sprinkles, this pale pink shade. Just getting that all over. And I'm going to be kind of shading even above where my eye socket sinks in. Just because I'm going to be doing a cut crease and I still want the shadows to show. And then after that, I'm going to go in with a transitional shade of Cotton Candy. And again, just applying it slightly above where my eye socket sinks in because I just want all these colors to show up even after I carve out that crease. And now for the deepest shade, I'm going to be going in with this really pretty vibrant pink called Totally Fetch. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to first kind of carve out that cut crease. I'm going to be doing a half cut crease, so I'm going to first carve it out and then shade around it. I think it'll make more sense once I start doing it. Draw it upwards into an extended wing. Just to give myself some more like guidelines on where to shade, I'm going to start carving out the half cut crease. So I'm going to go in first with my Urban Decay Primer Potion and kind of scope out where it's going to be. So I'm going to go up to that line. And it's okay if some of the colors get kind of washed away because I'm going to go back in and fix it and also add some more pinks. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with my Stylist Shimmer and Glow Kit, and I'm going to layer King Karma, the shimmery liquid eyeshadow on top of it. Okay, I'm going to take King Karma and just go over that as well. Basically, I'm going to add some more pinks, like the hot pink color, all around where this cut crease is, and kind of shade on the outer V with some bright pinks. And then I'm going to go in with some purples, this color called Black Currant, and just like really smoke it out. And then we'll go in with some of that purple and just like really smoke out the outer edges. I'm just going to fix and add some more shimmer. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring some of these colors to the lower lash line and just smoke things out. I'm going to bring this hot pink. And then I'm going to go in with my Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Lining Pen. And I'm just going to do a little bit more of an extended cat eye. And I'm actually also going to take my MAC pencil and Teddy, it's like this brown shade, and I'm going to go ahead and line my lower lash line just to add some more definition. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some false lashes, so I'm going to be using my Ardell Natural lashes. So now that the lashes are on, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara to my lower lash line using the Too Faced Sterling Sex. And I actually wanted to try this glitter liner that I recently bought. It's a Too Faced Glitter Pop Peel Off Eyeliner, and I wanted to try to use it to kind of line this fake cut, half cut crease that I created, which is this. So let's see, this is my first time trying it. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish off the look by applying some blush. Highlighter, I'm going to be using my Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter in Kitten. And then for my lipstick, just because I kind of went heavy on the eyeliner and the whole eye look in general, I want to choose something a little bit neutral and lighter. So I'm going to go in with my Lancome, and I keep forgetting what the shade is called, but I'll update in the product description box below. But it's basically kind of like a frosted, cool toned lip color. And there you have it. This is the finished look. Going to be attempting to sing Selena Gomez's new song, De Una Vez. I love it. I love how she takes so many risks and she doesn't really stick to one tried and true formula with regards to her music. I feel like I should first preface this by apologizing to all my Spanish teachers I had in school of all those years. I don't really remember that much Spanish. I mean, I think leche means milk, right? And I don't know why that's the only thing that popped in my mind right now. But I'm going to be trying my very best to do her song justice. And I think it has such a powerful message as well about loving yourself and healing after a bad breakup. Okay, so here goes. Ya no duele como antes, no. La herida de tu amor sanó de una vez por todas. Soy más fuerte sola. Es que no me arrepiento del pasado. Sé que el tiempo a tu lado cortó mis alas, pero es pecho antibalas. I hope you guys enjoyed this rendition. Have a great Valentine's Day. See you guys in the next one. Bye.